Want to squeeze more power out of your car without breaking the bank? You'd be surprised how much faster your car can feel just by cleaning or changing a few key parts. Today, we're diving into 5 simple ways to make your car faster, no turbochargers or engine swaps needed. First up, your air filter. A clogged air filter chokes your engine, reducing power and fuel efficiency. Simply cleaning or replacing it can improve airflow, giving your car a quicker throttle response. If you really want a boost, consider a performance air filter like KN. It flows better and lasts longer. Over time, your throttle body gets gunked up with carbon deposits, making your engine sluggish. A quick clean with throttle body cleaner can restore smooth acceleration. Just disconnect the intake hose. Spray, wipe, and feel the difference. Worn-out spark plugs cause misfires and power loss. Swapping them out for iridium or performance plugs ensures a stronger spark, better combustion, and more power. Check your owner's manual for the right gap and type. A clogged or rusty exhaust restricts airflow. You can clean carbon deposits or even swap the muffler for a freer flowing one to reduce back pressure and get a deeper sound. Just don't go straight pipe unless you love tickets. Dirty fuel injectors spray poorly, hurting performance. Use a fuel injector cleaner additive or get them professionally cleaned for smoother power delivery. Your engine will thank you with better throttle response. And there you have it, 5 easy ways to make your car faster just by cleaning or upgrading simple parts. Try these out and let me know in the comments which one made the biggest difference for you. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to Lul Auto Garage for more car performance tips, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video. See you in the next one. Keep driving fast.